Here's the setup, and I couldn't do it with a PDF like I did last time. It works really great for polynomials, but for long division, the formatting just isn't nice. So here we have your long division, and we're going to put 6x squared up here to give us the positive 12x to the fourth. But we have to distribute this. So we're going to get our 12x to the fourth here. But when we multiply 6x squared times 1, it gives us 6x squared. But that has to go underneath this one over here, 6x squared, because we have to match up like terms. So if you want, you can put a little 0 here to give yourself a little space. And just like any other long division, you're going to have to subtract this piece away. Alright, so that changes the sign of a positive 6x squared into a negative 6x squared. So we're going to bring down everything that's left over, which is 4x cubed, and finally this negative 10x squared. Alright, and then start all over again. What times 2x squared will give us 4x cubed? Well, that would be 2x. So it's a positive 2x. And you're going to distribute it down. You'll get your 4x cubed, like we would expect. But then you're going to multiply 2x times that positive 1, and there is no 2x here, so we're going to have to move it over and go, plus 2x. And then take this whole thing and, well, subtract it. So that's going to change this positive 2x into a negative 2x. If you want, you could put a little 0 here and bring things down. So this becomes negative 10x squared, and that becomes a minus 2x, and if you want, you can think of a 0 above it, so that just leaves a negative 2x. And then you need to start all over again. What times 2x squared is going to give us negative 10x squared? Well, that's a negative 5. So that'll give us the negative 10x squared. And then negative 5 times positive 1 is negative 5. And we take the whole thing and subtract it. So we end up with a remainder of negative 2x plus 5. So your final answer, when you write it down, is going to be 6x squared plus 2x minus 5. And probably because it's negative 2x plus 5, you could probably write it as 5 minus 2x over 2x squared plus 1. But I worry about the computer. They might write it negative 2x minus 5 over 2x squared plus 1. And basically all they do is they factor out a negative out of this term and rewrite it as negative 1 times 2x minus 5. That's just, it's called convention. Keep that x positive. And this would be the solution. Hope that helps.